Now, let's get into how purchasing a vehicle on finance works. So, assuming the above example, let's say you purchase a vehicle for 300,000 Rand with no deposit over a 5-year term at an interest rate of 12%. Your installment will be a total of 6,769 Rand 19 cents per month. On the right hand side, lower down, you can see the vehicle will cost you a total of 406,151 Rand and 67 cents. All these costs include all your applicable fees like the initiation fee, monthly admin fee, and the total interest that you're paying over the term. Come the end of your 5 years, the car will be paid off and you'll take full ownership of the vehicle. So, what can 300,000 Rand buy you in today's market? Something to the tune of a Renault Kiger, a single cab GWM Steed, or a Polo Vivo. Now, we'll all agree that these are pretty normal cars, and considering the average income of South Africans sitting at roughly 25,000 Rand per month, according to BusinessTech.co.za, it would be financially straining paying 6,800 Rand per month on just your vehicle installment. This still excludes your fuel, insurance, as well as all your maintenance costs. So, this is where the balloon payment comes in. Now, a balloon payment, also known as a residual, is a financing mechanism used to extract a certain percentage of your vehicle's purchase price to assist you in paying a lower monthly installment. You can choose a balloon payment anywhere from 5% up to 30%. So, in the example, if you opt to take up a 30% balloon payment on your, let's say, Polo Vivo, you'll essentially be paying an installment on a 210,000 Rands purchase, as 30% of the 300,000 will be extracted from the purchase value and will need to be tendered to as per the purchase contract that you sign. Typically, you'll be liable to settle the balloon at the end of the 5-year term. Some banks require a lump sum settlement, while others offer the option to finance the balloon over a specified term. Now, what does a balloon payment do to your monthly installment? Stick around a little longer, I'll share this with you in a bit.
Really?
Now, there are some advantages to considering a balloon payment. Balloon payment loans offer lower monthly payments compared to traditional loans, which can make it a little bit easier to manage your finances in the short term. They also provide flexibility in structuring your payments, allowing you the option to customize your term loans to better suit your financial situation. So, back to the Polo Vivo. By adding on a 30% balloon payment, your monthly installment will go down from 6,769 Rand and 19 cents per month to 5,667 Rand and 19 cents. That's more than 1,000 Rand cheaper on a monthly basis. Now, there are some disadvantages. Despite lower monthly payments, balloon payment loans typically result in higher overall costs due to the larger final payment at the end of the term loan. And if you find yourself in a position where you're unable to make the balloon payment at the end of the term, you may risk defaulting on the loan, which can have some serious consequences, such as repossession of the vehicle and massive damage to your credit score. Back to the Polo Vivo. Although your monthly installment is lower, your costs have increased by a substantial amount. Remember that this calculation assumes that you settle the balloon as a lump sum at the end of the term. Should your bank allow you to refinance your balloon payment, this cost will be even higher. So, as you can see, a balloon payment on a vehicle allows you to enjoy those lower monthly payments throughout the term loan with a larger lump sum due at the end. While this financing option offers flexibility and affordability in the short term, it's essential to carefully consider the long term implications and ensure you have a plan in place to make the balloon payment when it comes. Make sure that you don't overextend yourself in buying a vehicle that you cannot afford and using the balloon payment to make it more affordable. This will only place you under unnecessary financial strain and cost you more during this process. Now, have you ever wondered if your primary residence is an investment or not? If so, you need to watch this next video.